All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to collaborate in real time with Teletype. So share your workspace with team members and collaborate on code in real time. Okay, so we can click on Install Teletype for Atom. We're not going to be utilizing that as much, but I just want to explain to you what it is because it's here, and it's kind of an introduction to Atom. So basically what it does is think about Google Docs, okay? On Google Docs, you can collaborate with other folks and they can edit your Word document or your Google Doc, right? So this is a way for developers to be able to collaborate in real time. And let's say that I write out a project, I write out the structure of a web page, and then I want you to work on the structure of the web page too. I can share this with you, and then you can look at my code, and vice versa, okay? So that's what Teletype is with Atom. And it's a very cool feature, and it's one that is unique to Atom specifically, okay? So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.